Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps on this device. First of all, go into settings. Now you need to scroll down, select advanced features over here, scroll all the way down and go into dual messenger. Over here, click on the switcher next to an app that you want to clone. In my case, it's Facebook only, so I have to click on the switcher, choose install, tap on confirm. And if you want to use separate contact list, click on the switcher over here, but I don't want to, so I will go with next, and yes. Now we have to wait a bit. And as you can see, Facebook was successfully cloned. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!